Hi, I'm Dr. Deborah Garrison with Jake, and we have some important information we'd like to share with you.
Hi, Sandy.
Hi.
Hi, Goldie. Hello. I see here that you're having some ear problems.
It's been really tough. Her ears smell terrible and seem really dirty and are really red and inflamed, and she just seems really uncomfortable.
How long has this been going on?
I noticed her starting to shake her head a little more than normal about 2 weeks ago, but I noticed the redness and the brownish discharge within the past week.
Let's have a look. Oh, yeah, I see what you mean. You know, she's got that very, very typical dark, waxy discharge you see with an otitis externum, which is an external ear infection. And so typically of these heavy-eared dogs, like the retrievers and the spaniels and the hounds. I mean, actually, the way the canine and feline ear canal is constructed, almost any dog or cat can have an ear infection.
And why does this happen so much more frequently than with us? We clean our ears fairly regularly.
Well, we have very short horizontal ear canals. Dogs and cats have a longer vertical canal that then kind of makes a 90-degree turn into a short horizontal canal. Coupled on top of that is the heavy ear. So when you think about it, with that heavy ear on top of this curved canal, we end up creating a dark, moist environment, which is perfect for the bacteria and the yeast to thrive. And, you know, interestingly, the bacteria and the yeast are normal inhabitants of the ear, but they keep each other in check. But as soon as that balance is disrupted, ear infections can follow.
And what type of things can upset this balance? Is it something we did wrong?
Oh, nothing you did. Many things, many factors play a role. Sometimes it's moisture. I mean, take a retriever who loves the water. It could be allergies to pollens or to insects or to foods even. It could be a foreign body, like a foxtail. We see commonly during the spring and summer. External parasites like ticks and ear mites all can create problems, and just sometimes it's just a dirty, waxy ear.
How serious are ear problems, and what should we do about Goldie now?
Well, I mean, if left untreated, it can be very serious, potentially leading to deafness or even a brain infection. Some dogs that have such chronic problems, we need a corrective surgery done to help prevent these really bad complications. Fortunately, Goldie's not that bad. What we're going to do with her today is I'm going to keep her. We're going to flush her ears out really thoroughly. We're going to inspect the canal, both the canal and the eardrum with an otoscope. And while we're in there, we're going to collect samples for cytology and for a culture, which will help us choose the best medication.
What can we do at home to help prevent this from happening again?
Well, I intend to keep you very busy, because what we're going to do is we're going to send you home with an ear cleaning solution, which you use regularly. I'm going to send home medication, both topically and orally. We want to obviously control the infection and just make her more comfortable. And I'm going to want to have you come in for the first couple of weeks, probably once a week, to check her out, and we'll see how she's doing. But for today, as I said, I do want to keep her for a couple of hours so we can flush her ears out, and you'll come back later for her. Say bye, Goldie. Okay, so we'll see you later on this afternoon. Okay. If you notice any odors or excessive ear discharge, or just your pet scratching at his head more regularly or ears more regularly, chances are she has an ear infection, which are very common in dogs and cats. So please have your pet's ears checked regularly, because preventing a problem is certainly better and less expensive than treating one. Thanks for watching us on Pet Care TV. I'm Dr. Jeff Werber.